Got about 30 seconds.
Hey, what's up, bro?
What's up?
I made a mistake. That's what's up this morning. Made a mistake.
What happened?
Man, so you know how I trade with 7 micro ES contracts, right?
Yeah.
Well, this morning I traded with 7 mini contracts, and you already know what
Damn.
you already know what happened after that.
Damn. 7
Actually,
minutes?
it wasn't 7. I apologize. It was actually 14.
14 minutes.
14 minis. I thought I was on the MES chart. I was on the ES chart. And of course I was wrong with 14 minis on. Like, what the fuck, man?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that accounts. I'm down like $3,900, $3,800 right now. So that's fun.
On the eval or
Yeah, on the eval, yeah.
okay. I mean that sucks, but as long as it ain't like a live account, that would be horrible.
Yeah. I would cry and be like, dang, why would I do
I'm
something like
telling
this to
you,
myself?
when I told you I accidentally put on a limit order on the E-mini NQ, I was like, yo,
Shit.
dang, man.
Shit. Oh, shit. Damn it. Oh, man. Damn it.
Dang.
I could have went, dude. I was gonna go long there. I was thinking about going long at 76.75. But
Yeah.
I was like, there's no way that they buy this thing. Damn.
Well, yeah, I was just talking about the different scenarios that could potentially happen. We pump up, possibly reject this area again for a bigger dump. I don't think it's gonna break out.
No.
I mean, we might put on a new high for the day, but I don't think it's gonna like go crazy.
It
I
actually
don't
could
know.
just dump here. I mean, honestly, could dump here.
Yeah. Yeah. But I'm gonna wait until I get a better. I'm not gonna try to short this right here, right now, because I'm not that brave.
I'm brave, but not that brave. Yeah, I'm already short, so I was short. Damn, I could have caught me an easy winner on that. Damn, dude. Damn. Well,
IBI 281. Okay.
so I guess I had to paper trade this morning because I don't have any more accounts. So I guess I have to paper trade. I can't believe that, dude. $3,800 gone just like that. I spent $200 on that account.
Dang. I mean, there's dark pool. There's dark pool volume, right? Yeah, dark pool volume at the 710.
Well, right now it's hitting a call wall 4. It's hitting a call wall right now at 280. So we'll see. I'm pretty sure though, if it breaks out of this, then The next level will be 365. But it looks like that call wall is holding right now at 280.
Yeah. 17. 716 call. Damn, 716? Expiring today? You don't really mean that. Spot price was 709. Yeah, I mean, I want a short. I just don't trust shorts. I don't like them. I don't like them at all.
Yeah.
I really don't. And then I don't want to short into a freaking strong move like that, even though it's probably gonna, more than likely it'll work, but I don't like it. I don't like it. And I was just talking about this. Look what happened.
Of course, it's
This
stopped me out.
came
It looks like it's about to keep going down. Of course. I don't know how. I really don't know, man. I don't know how this market is so good at that. It stops me out to the T, and I have a really big stop, so it's like, dude, what is it, Bogdanov? What is it? It literally just stopped me out just here right now. Shit. Okay.
The 5-minute and the 15 are disconnected from each other, so I don't know.
Shit, do I go long here or?
It's your account. No. Nah, I honestly don't know right here, so I need more more data.
Okay, I went long. This thing ain't going short, man. This thing's not going short. Yeah. I'm gonna try to take this thing down short, but they're not gonna be successful.
Oh no. It's like, I'm giving you opportunities. Short me. Do it. Do it. You know you want to. No. I'd rather wait for the long. You missed the long. Short me.
Yep, that's that demon. Okay. How long is working out pretty good so far. I just needed to push up a little bit more. I don't need Trump to tweet nothing. You should be good.
I don't like it. I don't like it. They know I don't like it. But they stay tempting me.
Shorted.
Do it.
Come on, baby. Just a few more points. Come on, baby.
Do it. Execute order 66.
Come on.
Do it. You know what? Actually, let's do it. But not right here. We gotta get higher first.
Man, you gonna short it for real, bro?
Yeah. I'll short 300. 300. Yeah.
Well, if you're gonna short that level, man. Short that call wall. That call wall is literally at 365. So it could go all the way up there.
65. Let's look at BBS.
Don't falter right here. Don't falter.
Do it. Do it.
Oh my God.
Short.
Yes. Don't falter. Keep pushing. It went back up to that.
Do. All right, the gamma levels are in on BBS. We got it pushed past the 710 gamma and went to 711 and rejected 711.
I hate the fact that it got so close and then it decided to do all this BS. Come on, ES.
Oh, you're long, right?
Yeah. I almost got filled and then started doing this BS. Come on.
Do it. Do it. Now I'm just like, yo, I could have kept my position on. I thought the news would have went in the other direction.
Mm-hmm. You got news this morning?
Yeah, it's 7:30.
No wonder why I got stopped out like that.
But yeah, I think it was all the PCE stuff and all that rigmarole.
Yes, I don't like the fact that you're doing this BS, man. It literally got about a couple ticks away from my target. I started doing this BS. Just run through it, please. Run through it. Dude, if Trump better not say nothing.
Better be quiet.
Hold on, give me a second.
Pointing to the upside. Hourly candle's good.
There we go, baby. There we go. Target filled, baby.
Hey, good stuff.
Oh.
Nice. Congrats.
Should I be a dick about a tick here? Nah, I'm gonna lock up. I'm locking up, man. I'm gonna lock up. I'm locking up. Alright. Target field, baby. Alright.
Dang, that's wild.
Yeah. Yeah.
Could have stayed in it. No. Okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, I haven't gotten a signal yet. So the bat signal has not formed yet.
Damn, I should have stayed in my damn long, dude. Like, what the hell, bro? I mean, I made money this morning. I shouldn't play like that. Made money this morning, but I could have made more. Could have made more. All right, so let's look for our next opportunity here on the ES. Huh. So, are you short right now, or are you in? Oh, okay. Yeah.
Anything, my boy? I'm chilling.
Well, all right. So yeah, I'm about to make $800 on 7 freaking contracts, dude, or 9. Well, 9 contracts. 9 contracts. We'll see. We'll probably get a. We'll probably see the market break above. Well, I already did it on the Nasdaq, but like I said, just pay attention. There's a call wall sitting at 365. 365. But honestly, price has to break above 280 first. I mean, we've broken above it, but we have to break and we have to hold above it. So it might pull back to about 240, 245-ish. And then the bulls might try again, but if they fail, we should see the move down. But it is the Nasdaq, so.
That's correct.
When New York opens, all we trade is Nasdaq, 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 Nasdaq. When New York opens, all we trade is Nasdaq. Okay, that's how I should use it, like that, honestly. Okay. We could see a move down here because it looks like it double topped at those highs on the ES. So if it doesn't hold this pullback, man, it doesn't hold the pullback. All right, so it's 87. Oh, did I make money this morning? Oh, no, I didn't. All right. Okay, so I'm willing to go long to add to my ES position if price comes back to 87 and bounce. I'm willing to add to the position there. But like I said, that looks like a double top, but at the same time, Who's going to clean? I was gonna make money on Nasdaq until I got stopped out. 86.75. Let me see what it does here, because this thing just could fail and go down. But I don't think so. Well, so that's what, 87, 86, 4. I'll probably bounce too. All right, I'm gonna go long at 87.25 on the ES. Basically my break even. We'll see. Hey, what's up, investor team? I guess if ES pops back up and breaks above those highs, I'm gonna pull that order. I mean, you can't do it. I mean, you just gotta grow this. You gotta grow it. Shit. Okay, yes. One time I need you to pull back and do right by me. You don't. Okay. All right. So the orb is officially formed on the ES. Let's look at that. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Oh yeah, that's definitely gonna reject right there. Okay.
What's that? PTSD. Trade PTSD.
Order filled.
Order filled. Stop what you're doing. What was that? Should I leave a limit on the book?
Order filled. Yeah, that's no bueno. No bueno whatsoever. What's up, Mohammed? You know what, Mohammed? I want to thank you. I do want to thank you, man, for opening my eyes to the realities of this market. I want to thank you for that. Now I see the market through a new lens. So, I've read that book that you recommended, and I'm also listening to what's it called? Option pricing and volatility or something like that. And now I understand why the market is reacting at certain levels, and I understand now that the market is moved by the market maker or the dealer hedging, and understanding the different environments, like if we're in a positive environment, a negative environment. I mean, we was using gamma on black box stocks, but I didn't understand what it was used for. Honestly, I was just using them as levels, but now I understand it now. I have an understanding of it now. And so now when I look at certain levels, I look for the reaction, and I know that dealers have to, like, if it gets to a certain level, they have to hedge and they have to sell shares, which makes the like if it's going up and they have to sell shares, obviously the market will go down as a result of that. Areas where the market won't allow price to go above, and markets where it won't allow price to go below. And that's why we see these, they're not even what short squeezes, they're more like gamma squeezes, delta squeezes, whatever terminology you want to use. So yeah, I'm doing my homework on it. I have the basic understanding to at least take good trades and know where the to get it and get out at least. You know, if the ES wasn't being so nasty, I would have held on to this long. And of course, I just realized that, yeah, it missed my target at 87.25. It missed me, and I would have got my target filled. Okay. Well. I guess I just have to look for the next opportunity. Probably look for a short as price goes into that lower right there. Probably look for a short. Oh, how long would I stay today? So I usually run until about 10:30. 10:30 Central Time. And yeah, no problem. All right, so it looks like I'm gonna probably get a profit target here want to get a profit target. And actually, this is probably where I'll go short. We'll see what happens here. We'll see. I'll go short there, maybe. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Yeah, that's the result of that, for sure. 709. Wink, wink. Roll 704.50. Okay. All right, we'll see. All right, so let's see if we can get a profit target here at 704. Probably do 704.25. Oh yeah, just 704 even. Get a profit target right there. He says, do not short. These options are still open. All right, Mohammed. Anyway, so the expected move today on is plus or minus. Let me look at this real quick. Do you want to hear the expected move for the Nasdaq, or are you going to be surprised?
What's the expected move?
All right. I mean, I got the ES already up. So the expected move on the ES today is a range from 715 and 650. That's the expected move for the ES. The expected move for the Nasdaq, you already know that's gonna be crazy. It's, oh wow, that's interesting. So the expected move on the Nasdaq is actually 485 and 910 to the downside. So 485 is the expected high, but that doesn't mean that it won't go above it. It's just that that's just the expected move. And the biggest gamma level right now, well, yeah, it already showed you at 365. 365 is the biggest gamma level. So the market could be the market could pin at 365. It could try to go above it and then fail back below it. We don't have the biggest level to the downside, which I highly doubt that we see. We could see it, but I highly doubt it. Is 115 on the Nasdaq. That's the biggest level to the downside. And 200 is the crossroads between going from a positive to neutral environment to a negative environment. So I gotta remember that. 446. Alfred, if you want to go live, I just saw your your message. If you want to go live, have a 10K day. Have a 10K day.
Remember when was that Take Profit stopped me at 10K and I was like, yo, what?
Yeah.
Like, no, I got more money to make. What y'all doing?
You thought we blew the account.
Yeah, I was like, wait, whoa, what? Like, hey, yo, what are y'all doing?
But yeah, Alfred, they'll definitely move you to live. You make 10K in one day. I think that's what these prop firms are really looking for. They don't care if you make they don't care if you get these $1,000, $2,000 payouts. I mean, it really doesn't. If they're making billions of dollars in revenue, $2,000 ain't gonna hurt that. But if you show that you can make 10K a day, yeah. No payout, straight to live.
No payout, straight to
No payout, straight to live. We've been monitoring your account and we're calling you up to live. You can't have traders like you. But yeah, I mean, shit, like I said, I had my account over about 7 months before I went on this losing streak and blew it. And I've taken about like 6 or 7 payouts from it. And not once was I called to live. Now, I didn't even get an email saying that we're monitoring you. And I took multiple payouts from that account. But I think the first time, if I would have made like 10K, they'd be like, yeah, okay. Let's get you on over to live.
Let's move you on over, buddy. Yeah, that was funny. I'm like, how did I? Because every time you hear that ding, it's like, whoa, hold on, what? What just happened? How did I blow up? I'm like, oh, they locked me out. Oh, 10K is the most you can make in a day?
I'm surprised they didn't. Did they send you to live after that?
Yeah, they did. They reached out and was like, well, let us know if you want to take a payout from what you made. Let us know. Yes, I'm taking a payout. What kind of question is that?
No, I want to put all 10K in and risk all of that. That's what I want to do.
What's wrong with y'all, man?
Yeah, Alfred, I think because this is all automated, they're not really monitoring you. It's a computer that's looking for kind of like the same technology that they use to what's the word I'm looking for? To qualify applicants. Like if you're, let's just say that you're applying for a job and they use an algo that goes to everybody's resume and they look for certain criteria to qualify you before it doesn't even reach a person. It's just qualified through an automated system. I'm pretty sure it's the same thing. You make a 5K, 10K day, you'll get put on their radar. Somebody look at you, it's like, hold up, this guy has about 20, 30K in his account. You can take a payout. Send him to live. What should I do here? What should I do? What should I do? Hey, what's up, man, Moxie? This is a well, let me just show you. This is an indicator that comes along with this web application called Tanuki Trades. Called Tanuki Trades. And this shows the gamma levels for options that the market maker or dealers have to protect or hedge against to stay delta neutral. The dealer makes their money by staying delta neutral, meaning that they're not looking for direction. They kind of want, I guess they make money off the spreads, I believe. But what this indicator is showing is these are the areas where we have call walls, put walls. This blue area is a neutral zone. So this is where I'm assuming the dealer or the market maker wants to stay within, where they can stay just neutral and just make money from the spread. But if it moves into a positive environment, if price comes to these levels, the dealer is going to look to hedge, meaning that they're going to short against the pop. And if it goes lower, then the market is going to hedge and they're going to buy, and then we're going to see the market move higher. And these are what these lines represents. These call walls, put walls are these gamma levels, because gamma is the measurement used to measure the delta, if I'm saying that correctly. But anyway, so these levels are legit. You can blindly trade from them, but it's not recommended. Having these levels along with structure, you can kind of see that the market, that we're protecting this level right here, this 280 level. Every time price would try to break above it, you can see that they hedged against it and they knocked it back down. We finally got the market to kind of break above that level, and now it's coming back into it. So yeah,
Order filled, baby. Yes, I shorted. Yes, I was early.
Yeah, I like it, man.
But I got the order filled.
Really?
Short. I should have been short. Honestly, I should have been short up here. All my positions should have been up there. Order field, baby. Bouncing off the 710 gamma though on the Qs.
No, just put on a put. The market is pulling back. Should I? And you said that you're traveling? Are you like traveling around the world, or are you just traveling from state to state, if you don't mind me asking? But yeah, I like this platform so far. It's only $170 for 3 months, or $160 for 3 months. So I think that's a good deal.
Gamma. Bouncing off the 17 gamma.
I guess you really don't. You don't need to understand it, I guess. What we say is what we do. Oh wow, that's wow.
baby. Wonderful. Let's see, 17. To go sub 17. I do like that you got it on the all on the same chart.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, versus having to look back and forth at like a BBS, for example, like I'm doing. Unfortunately. I think I paid for this for like a year, I think.
You paid for a year? What?
I think. I don't know. I don't remember.
Dude, I couldn't bring myself to pay that for a year. I don't know why. I just couldn't.
It was like what, 3 something?
What was it?
Something like that. I think. I don't know. I don't even remember, to be honest. I could be full of BS. I don't know. I was like, all right. Well, what are you about to say?
Oh, nothing. Oh, no, I was about to ask Mad Moxie, what has her interested in traveling the world? I'm starting to see a lot of I moved to the Philippines or I moved to Thailand and my life is awesome now videos trying to get me to try to move all the way to Thailand and shit. Like, I'm not moving down there.
My life is awesome. I will say that, well, I don't know about Thailand or Philippines, but being in the Middle East, the market opens up at 4:30 p.m. So you're like, all right,
I'm good.
I'm good. I'm in there. Like if it was in Dubai or something, I'm like, yeah. All right, I done did what I had to do throughout the day, or it's too hot to do anything during the day, so I'm chilling. Market's open at 4:30? Okay. Let's get to it. All right. This is kind of... Yes, Trump.
I saw this unrelated, but I saw this video of certain countries are banning how should I say this to keep it PG? Let's just say that a lot of travelers, I guess passport bros, are getting sent back because they're bringing protection in a lot of it, and I think the countries aren't liking that anymore. I mean, it makes sense because, you know, foreigners are coming into their country and providing their women with experiences that maybe men there can't provide. And so obviously all the women are going to wait for the foreigners and not necessarily want to be with the locals. That's what I'm going to assume, because that would make sense of why they're doing it. At least that would make sense to me. A lot of tourists go to these foreign countries, and that's usually the main reason why they go there. He said it's very evident. Oh, you're West Indian? Hold on. What? Are you talking about Indian, or are you talking about like part of a tribe, like a Native American Indian? That's interesting. I didn't know that about you, Mad Moxie.
Yeah, I'm just over here chilling in my short, waiting for targets to get filled.
Dude, I don't know, man.
Oh, they're not that far away.
Shit. Well, I need to get it. Shit, I did not know that either. I did not know that. I did not know what that meant. So that's interesting though. Why is that term used for that? Because I wouldn't have that never would have crossed unless I looked it up or thanks for telling me. I never would have gotten that, or I wouldn't have gotten that. Yeah, I don't know, bro. Where are you targeting?
I told you my targets are close.
Are they?
I'm not trying to. I'm not trying to catch huge moves necessarily.
Let's look at this. Well, hold on. 240. Am I? I must be behind. I was like, dude, price is already at 240. You already got the first one filled. Okay.
Yeah. Target fill, baby. Can we get much lower? So low.
Target filled, baby.
That's why I hate shorting.
All that stress for nothing, for no reason. Well, that's interesting. I didn't know that. I learned something new today on stream. You know, I saw this very interesting. Oh, go ahead.
Oh, no, I was about to say, don't do me like that. It missed me by a couple ticks.
You know she gonna do that. You already know she gonna miss you by a couple of ticks. A couple ticks.
A couple ticks.
Oh, she gonna do it.
Order filled. Target filled, baby.
All right, well.
Target filled. Let's go.
Alrighty, yes. Alrighty, yes. I'm counting on you here. I'm counting on you. So I just went long here at VWAP. I don't need none of the BS.
Long VWAP, bro. VWAP's close to the 50%.
I know. That's why I'm like, I don't need none of the BS here.
I'm like, hey, yo, let's target IB low. Come on, you could do it. Let's target IB low. Lower. How much lower do you want? Lower.
Lower than what it is now. Super lower.
Lower.
Seriously?
He's a madman. Lower. I want to go into the Delta area, but we probably do that because now it's trying to pull back.
No, ES, don't do this. Don't do this, ES. Please. Please, ES, please don't do this.
I hate to see us on opposite sides, even though we're in different instruments.
You said what?
I said I hate to see us on opposite sides, even though we're in different instruments.
Yeah.
That kind of move together normally.
ES, you know what? You bastard. You know what? Whatever, dude. I went long at VWAP. I did what I was supposed to do, and you're just being nasty for no reason.
Nasty Nas, nasty Nas. Boom, boom. What'd you say the expected low was?
I have to look again. Give me a second. Well, whatever, dude. ES. Fuck you. You're supposed to go long at VWAP.
look at the 60K again, because okay, push the high. Yeah, let's see if we go lower. Lower.
The expected move for the Nasdaq is actually, I think it was 115, 115. Let me verify. 115. You try to target 115? Or, well, apparently the expected move is now 910. Hold up.
What you mean?
Or I'm sorry. I made a mistake. The biggest put wall to the downside is at 115. The expected move is at 28,910. Okay, ES. Bastard. Damn.
Dang, 28,910. That's crazy. I'm in my last running contract, and yeah, I effed up on these ones. I should have. I always do that. I don't know. Mistakes were made, but we're good. I should have been short in the 300 area. That 333 kind of caught me off guard. I thought we were going to go to at least 350. I did have a limit up there. I took it off though. We just hit the golden pockets from pre-market fibs.
What the hell is up with that?
The IB low.
Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god.
Oh, I forgot it doesn't stop until 9:30.
You can use the previous days
yeah,
high and low until it updates.
Yeah, I'll be looking at that too. Previous day. I don't know why, for some reason I was thinking it cuts off at 9.
No. It's the first hour.
Hmm. $45, huh?
Well, all right, man.
Everybody had all these calls. They probably got out of their positions, I would imagine. Made their money.
What? I should have paid attention to that. I mean, it did fail over this call wall. It did fail and come back down.
Yeah, but now I'm kind of wishing I held a little bit more. 200. Just bounced off of there. Yeah, pretty much. All right, let's see.
All right, so now we got 1 more minute into the initial balance forms here. I'm trying to look for a saving grace on this position, but I don't think I'm gonna have one. I don't think I have one.
Dang, I think that was it. I'm gonna exit. Should I?
Exit. You know you want to. Nah.
Kinda don't want to.
All right. Well, let's see where we are on the chart for the gamma levels. Let's see if it's I would get out. It's your account, but it's bouncing at a put wall right now. I know when you was trying to target that 115 call wall or put wall, it's bouncing at the put wall that's at 160. So let's keep that in mind, bro. Ham. Let's keep that in mind.
Keep it 100. Well, like I said, this is just a runner contract. Since I don't like shorts, all the other ones got closed early.
Yeah.
And of course, I should have held a little bit longer, but
Yeah, you know how that shit
it's
goes.
the NQ. It's the NQ, so I ain't even tripping.
Man, this feels like Trump gonna say something. Stop me out. I'm gonna have to call him a bastard because that's all I can do.
Has the bag been secured? What? The bag has been secured. Trying to get more. How much more do you want, Kobe Bryant? More.
That sucks that he came short one ring. He deserved 2 more, but you know what they did to him. He was still a winning team by himself. They took away his pieces, and he still found a way. That's a real champion right there. That's respectable. Unlike somebody, not gonna talk about them.
And you look at the supporting cast he had. It was like,
Yeah.
bro. I mean, outside of the like 2 decent players he had with him, it was like, bro, what is the supporting cast you got?
On the Lakers too, no less. They got rid of their best piece, Shaq, or their second best piece, Shaq. I guess there was a conflict between him and Kobe, which I doubt. Because, I mean, I don't know. I mean, when it comes to a situation where 2 people arguing, the one thing that I like to focus on is once they go their separate ways, whose career flourished and whose career didn't. Someone stayed on the same team. The other person went from team to team and team to team until they finally retired. And now, you know, they're a talk show host. It's nothing bad about that, but you just kind of, yeah. That's exactly what Trump said. Exactly. He says, "Who's this? Sherm? He should be on my I'm about to tweet list. Go get his contact information. I want him to know exactly when I tweet so he can position himself He's a winner. I like winners.
Great guy. I like him. He's a
Always,
winner.
always winning. He's determined. It's either his profit target or his stop. Nothing in between. A real great guy. A real winner. I do like your Trump impressions though, Smith. That's pretty dead on. All right, man. Yes, you already broke my heart. All right, you can push back up.
Dang, you still fighting?
I mean, shit, I ain't get stopped out yet, man. So I mean, this is still my original position that she just came back on.
So you still long at
Yeah.
VWAP?
Oh, that was another account. I got stopped out of that a long time ago.
Oh, I was about to say.
That wasn't another account.
Dang.
No, that shit straight stopped me out. No mercy. That was the first time VWAP failed me. I couldn't believe it. On the ES, we should at least get a bounce.
Right.
This shit went straight through VWAP. Oh, well, damn. Damn. My bad. I wasn't familiar with your game and what you were trying to do, ES. He said, nope, we're not stopping that VWAP today. We're trading right through that shit.
I'm going to get out. Boom, I'm out. He's out. He's flipping long.
Master, Smith thinks he's winning. What should we do?
What do we do?
We back at break even, baby. We back at break even. After being up, oh my God, after being up $720, we're back at break even, baby. Just to make 800. Now this $800 target ain't good enough. Ain't good enough. I gotta put this shit higher. But that shit ain't gonna probably work. Yeah, I didn't expect the ES to kind of do that. That honestly, I feel like that came out of, well, never mind. I should have looked to the left, actually. It ran the liquidity above that range, and then it dropped down. I should have looked to the left. That was my fault. That was my fault. That was my fault. Well, I mean, I made money in my Top Step account this morning. I locked up, even though I could have made more. But I have to remind myself with Top Step, if I make more and I take a payout, that means I have to make more on my next payout, which I don't. So I hate that I have to only make about $450 every day in that account to maintain my payout at that same level. But I mean, it's a good rule. It forces me not to be greedy. I have a $450 target that I can easily hit in 9 points. I'm not being greedy, so. I mean, if I was greedy, I mean, I would have got a mega target though, but you got paid last night. So congratulations on that, Alfred.
Let's see. Oh, it bounced beautifully at 708 put. Gamma wall on the Qs. Huh. Why wasn't I looking at that? I could have got out right there. And got out at maximum profit.
Damn. You know what? Maybe I should. Maybe I should get like a. Maybe I should, huh? Maybe 1 to 2 micro contracts on the Nasdaq. Maybe I should, huh? Yeah, Top Step has this new rule where it's a low key consistency rule with their payouts. So they're trying to, or what this rule was supposed to prevent was people that made like $10,000, $5,000 on their first day, and they would just go and just make the minimum just to take the payout. So now, if you take as an example, right now, I can only take a like a $1,500 payout every time I request a payout. If I go above that amount, then I have to start making that amount. I can no longer take a $1,500 payout. And I learned that shit the hard way in my other account. There we go, baby. There we go. Anyway, I learned that the hard way. I thought I was about to take a payout, and it was like, no, sir, my guy, you got to make $200 more. Oh, okay. All right. I got to make $200 more now. Okay. So now I just say, fuck it. I'll just make the $400, take my $1,500 payout, and just be cool. Or not $1,500. $1,100 payout. It's $1,100. I'm saying 400, but I'm really mean $450. I make $450 every day on Top Step to get that $1,100 payout. And I was excited too. I'm glad I didn't go tilt too, because I was like, man, I'm about to get this payout, baby. And then the thing didn't pop up on the screen, the payout button. I was like, hold up, what's going on? What's going on? I look at my damn overview page, and it's like, nah, you got to make $200 extra, my guy. And you know I full ported that shit. That shit pissed me off. I'm just glad it didn't go the other way, because it could have. It could have. It could have gone the other way. I said, fuck it. Give me my $200. Give me my damn payout. So if I went long on the Nasdaq with literally just one contract, it's rejecting at that 240. So what is this? This is the put peak. What is that? It says put volume peak, most activity traded at this put strike. So 240 is where I guess we're seeing the most put volume. And then this is the absolute gamma. The second highest total gamma exposure is at 240. And we're seeing the rejection there. So that was basically a clean break and a little retest trade back up to that high where the market kind of broke down. So, but we'll see. I think we can probably get to 280. But I wouldn't be surprised if the thing rejects here, because this is kind of where market broke structure right here. So I wouldn't be surprised. For the sake of my ES trade, I hope it doesn't do that. $82, yeah, and rejected at 88, so I was just up. I think I should be good. Okay. ES, don't break my heart. We can push past this.
We can get through this. Basically, like we're almost in like the same position, except I'm on the Nasdaq side of it. That's funny.
Did we just become best friends?
Yes.
Oh no.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Now 44 is that long.
You know, I'm sick and tired of when I back test and I look at certain plays that I'm like, dude, I probably wouldn't have taken it, but man, did that thing just quickly reverse and go in my direction. And then when I take the same type of plays, I get this BS price action. Like it doesn't know where the hell it wants to go. Yeah, like this morning, that bounce at 76, I did not expect that to do that. I was actually considering taking that trade long, but I was like, man, it just swept the liquidity above that high. Does it really want to go long? Or is it trying to fake out short? I was so unsure, so I passed on the trade, and looking back, it goes all the way from 76 all the way up to 702.
Dang.
Yeah, I know. That's exactly what I said. Dang. Okay. All right, we should be good, bro. We should be good. It just made a swing, or the swing indicator just made a low, so we should be good. Just made a low. And then usually, if it does go back down, then it just usually just swipes that low and just keeps pushing. We should be good, but I don't think we're out of the water yet, though. Ah, shit, look at my footprint indicator. I just wish I didn't see that. The bulls are super buying and they're not getting any follow through here. Shit. ES, I know you can do it. I believe in you. I believe in your ability to defy physics and logic and push higher. I believe in you.
Probably should have targeted that first.
So this is what the ES is doing right now. We see all this buying and we're not getting any follow through. But we are seeing the bears trying to sell it underneath the 21 EMA and they're not getting follow through. So at least they're not getting follow through right now. So I guess it's kind of up in the air about what the market is going to do. We all know what I wanted to do, but nah, I'm gonna keep it because you get tired of that BS, honestly.
Hey. We need that follow through, bulls. That follow through.
No, I'm a wait until I get another payout. I'm waiting until I get another payout to get the lifetime license with them. I got this for I paid for 3 months, so I have 3 months to actually, let me see how much money I would need. I think I would need $730 every month set aside. So yeah, I've already paid for 3 months, so I don't need to get it right away.
You gonna fill my order? Order filled. Order filled. Bless you. As the NQ has blessed me. Let's go. Let's go. NQ for the win. The cream of the crop. Rise to the top. We got another $1,000 day, baby. In the micros. Well, I haven't secured it yet. We still in this. It ain't all secured just yet. Let's look at black box stocks. We're at this level right here. Oh, never mind. I'm tripping. We got a dark pool coming up though. That's where they. Is that where they rejected? Yeah, that's where they rejected that one time. So. But we already know this area. This 270, 280 area. Yeah. Hey, keep pushing. Keep pushing. Push it to the limit.
I think we're good. At least on the ES, I think we're good until about like 96, 99. And then we might see a rejection there.
Go. Order filled, baby. All right, last one. Runner. We got a runner on the loose. We got a runner on the loose. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, ski. Yes, sir. And I should have been looking at BBS. I could have got out clean at the bottom of that move. Clean. When I tell you it bounced at this gamma level on the Qs at 708, I could have got out cleanly for max profit, but I wasn't paying attention to it.
No, Smith. We have to hold you accountable. We have to hold you accountable. I said accountable that we're hitting that gamma level. It's your account, but we're hitting that gamma level, so you might want to get out. We can't do that.
No, I didn't know which level you were talking about at the time. I wasn't looking. I wasn't paying attention. You did say it. I'll give you that.
I was just saying something you didn't want to hear. It's like, I get out of my short. What? When did you start speaking Spanish?
Close the short.
Okay.
I mean, that was a good short though. Dang it, I was short from what, 309? And I could have got out at 155, 156.
Trump better not say nothing. He better not say, like, dude, Trump, if you say something, I definitely gonna call you a bastard. Like, you better not say nothing.
Well, I
the
guess
market feels like he's about to say something. Oh shit. Dude, yeah, I don't know why this voice news, like, it stays disconnecting for no reason.
We just dropped at that dark pool level. Thought we were gonna.
I think we go a little bit higher.
Try to fight past it.
I don't think we drop for real here. I think with the Nasdaq, it at least gets to 280 at least. What's the point of having that level there?
It's these dark pool institutions, man. Them and they block orders.
Trump, no time scheduled for the negotiation with Iran to resume. That's probably what, that's why I went through VWAP. That's why I went like, dude, that's why I was like, dude, why did they do that? Nah, it happened at he said that at 9:41. I'm surprised we didn't get a bigger reaction. That's kind of interesting. We didn't see a bigger reaction from that.
It's all the same now. That's why it's like nobody. I'm like, yeah, they care. It reacts sometimes, but now it's like, all right, what's new? We're in peace negotiations. Oh, no, psych. No, we're not. The strait's open. No, it's not. We cleared. The blockade is working. We cleared all the mines. Yeah, okay. Why? Where's the traffic then? Why isn't things not back to normal?
Well, we have to say this. The insurance companies aren't insuring those tankers. That's why.
Yeah, because it's risky business. That's smart. I wouldn't insure them.
Yeah.
You don't know if Iran gonna send a missile to the cargo ship or whatever. Yeah. We need some guarantees, baby. Oh, don't stop me out. Don't do it. We want to rise to the top. All right, whichever way this goes, I'm good. I gotta get off here. Go actually, but I got a trailing stop and then I got a target at 288. So we'll see. I'm probably gonna get stopped out though.
Well,
because it is a tight stop. It is.
Well, I mean, if you keep it tight, then yeah, probably. But you know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do, man? Man, now that we have the Nasdaq in structure, now that we have her in structure, these gamma levels does make the Nasdaq more tradable.
Tradable, right? Because we secured the bag today. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We secured the bag today. All right, gotta go. I'll talk to y'all. We'll see y'all in the next. Well, dang, I won't even be able to trade tomorrow either. Yeah. Crap. Yeah.
All right, bro.
Yeah, y'all have a good one.
And no problem, Mohammed. You said that they closed everything at 700 and they opened again at 685. Are you talking about shorts? But I swear the market likes to play around with my emotions. All I'd be looking for is 9 points, dude. That's all I look for, dude. That's all I look for. Okay. All right, well. You said they're buying puts and the market makers are still moving against it? As long as they hit my profit target, I don't care what the hell they do. Hit that profit target, damn it. So, Mohammed, I got this platform
Wall Street Journal, citing sources, says JP Morgan recently evaluated pursuing its own stablecoin.
I got this platform, and I know you might say that anyway. They kind of plot the all the call walls and the put walls in the area where the market could potentially move from a positive gamma environment into a negative gamma environment. Target filled, baby. Finally, dude. I'm just playing around with that damn target, man. All right, that's done. Target filled on that. All right, target filled on that one. So I lost.
And for those interested, we have posted the Wall Street Journal article on the feed.
I did take a loss on the. Did take a loss in one of my funded accounts going long at VWAP. I thought I was gonna get a quick 10 points. The market was like, nope. Nope. No longs for you. Nope. Yeah, I have no more accounts. I have no more accounts. Hold on, do I got this thing set? Oh, liquidate and block at 145. Left, right? You know what? Yeah, so it's called my bad. It's called Tanuki Trades. It's called Tanuki Trades. This is their platform. I like the guys. They seem very knowledgeable about what they're doing. So I tried this platform out. I'm trying it out for 3 months, and so far, the call and put levels have been accurate on at least the ES and Nasdaq, and those are the instruments that I care about. I'm not sure how they perform with stocks. I haven't looked, but as long as it works for the ES and as long as it works for the Nasdaq, that's all I care about. And obviously they use I guess what they call it, a naive, because they don't have the quote unquote real data. So it's an assumption. Everything is based on open interest and volume. But I mean, these levels have been working so far. So as long as it works. It's called Tanuki Trades. It's an option platform. It's kind of like black box stocks, but unlike black box stocks, it doesn't have the option flow. It doesn't show the dark pool levels, but what it does show is the gamma levels, and they plot them on the Nasdaq and they plot them on the ES. So if we look, we can see that the market has been respecting these levels. Now in real time, I mean, obviously in hindsight, You can be like, yeah, I would have went long here, I would have got out there, etc., etc. But that's always in hindsight. But in real time, would you would have trusted these levels? But anyway, the point is that these levels are plotted, and it seems like the market does react at these levels. So yeah, and you know what, Mohammed, I almost got caught up in that because these other platforms that were selling similar products, they boast about having the licensed CBOE data, which is the closest thing to dealer positioning for the XBX that you'll probably get. And they charge $300 a month for that type of access to that type of data. And I looked into it, and there's certain so I looked into it, and I guess the way that they have it set up is that they can't necessarily expose dealer positioning, but they can kind of put it in a chart similar to this. And this is how they can get away with it. And I said to myself, well, if the dealer is so concerned about their positions being seen by the market, because like you said previously, this is how they make their money, why even have this information available at all? And so I just decided on this one, and so far so good. I'm pretty sure those other platforms probably I'm pretty sure it's probably right too, but I'm not necessarily trading at these levels. My biggest thing when it comes to platforms that are giving out levels is if it already aligns with something that I'm already going to do. If, as an example, if I want to go short here, I want to see like, okay, so there's a call wall here. This is an area where the dealer is more likely to come in and try to hedge against, because this could be a level that they're trying to protect. And if I'm already going to short here, then I'll feel more confident in the short. It doesn't mean it'll work, but I'll just feel more confident in it. Or I'll just use these levels as targets, because if there's a call wall right here or a put wall, then I can't expect the market to push past it if the dealers are going to make an attempt to protect these levels once price trades into these areas. So I always have to kind of make that assumption. You said you checked black box stocks as BS. So I think so with black box stocks, or what are you referring to specifically? What about it is BS? I guess we should start there. Because I think black box stocks is a flow. It sells or it gives access to the flow, the option flow data. But they do have a gamma feature, and they do have a dark pool feature as well. Yeah. The ring. Boom, 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 boom. Get up. The ring. The fun thing about having kids is that you learn all their stupid kid songs. All right, we'll see what happens here. You know what? Let's do that. Let's see. Let's see. The Nasdaq is like, we got him. We got him. We got him. We got him. Let's see. Let's see if it'll probably at least go right here. Yeah, when it comes to the option flow data, when I was trading options, I definitely had it was definitely challenging to wrap my head around all of it, because at 1 minute it would say that it's bullish and 1 minute it say that it's bearish. And then there's times where the market, where you'll see a bunch of puts hit the tape, or puts hit the book, and the market is still trading higher. And all those puts are, so I mean, I don't know. You know what?
The shipper MSC halts Russian Black Sea service after drone strikes.
Yeah, it really is not. 701.25. All right, well, we'll see what happens here. I can trade my baby Nasdaq again. I can trade my baby Nasdaq again. Me and Nasdaq are, we talked about it and we decided that we're going to get back together. She knows that my heart only beats for her. Yeah. Yeah, definitely learning options is well, I guess how the market maker moves this market has definitely been helpful. So now I don't even care about like the flow and all that other stuff anymore. My focus now is, are we in a positive, neutral, or negative environment? And where are the dealers potentially going to hedge? That's all I care about at this particular, or that's what I'm focusing on now. And so far, the market has The market has been following. I mean, I'm not surprised by that. I mean, look at that, man. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This feels like I'm cheating. This feels like a cheat code, man. It feels like a cheat code. I'm gonna still use it though, but it feels like I'm cheating. Damn, dude, look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Birdman. All right, well. Okay, so now the only thing that I have to do is not self-sabotage here. That's the only thing I have to not do. Just have to not self-sabotage. And try to make a an easy Hold on, give me 1 second. Okay. That's interesting. That is interesting. That's interesting. So I'm short on this on the ES, and as I walked away from the screen, the ES missed my profit target by a tick.
On to Iran nuclear chief Eslami telling state media that Iran is still in wartime situation and its nuclear sites have not been secured for inspections. Islami says that IEA cannot ask to inspect Iran's nuclear sites until it draws up a protocol.
Oh shit. Well. Hey Alfred, did you already get your subscription already? That was quick, honestly. That was quick.
Iranian nuclear chief says Trump threats to bomb alleged secret Iranian nuclear site show how international organizations are pawns of the US and Israel.
Expand on it. Well, just like that, they accepted me into their affiliate program. So obviously the promo code will be code SHERM. So your guys are thinking about getting this platform, you use my affiliate code SHERM. This is actually a product that that so far has been I was actually going to reach out to it and see if I could actually become an affiliate, and okay, well, there it goes right there. Yeah, I appreciate that. You know, honestly, I have to probably start playing this game a little bit better than what I'm doing. You know, I was considering probably over the weekend, now that I kind of have an idea of how I want to trade and what I want to trade. I mean, we've been taking really great trades on the ES. Really great trades on the ES. And with the Nasdaq, I can probably start, because like I said, I only trade the Nasdaq. I only want to trade the Nasdaq for entertainment purposes. I don't necessarily I don't necessarily want to start taking it seriously, because one of the biggest things that I've noticed was that my cortisol levels and my adrenaline levels and my internal back and forth has completely quieted down. I haven't thought of revenge trading at all, or over leveraging at all. I take a loss on the ES and it's like, okay, I just look for the next trade, and it's I feel like it's always been there. It's like, it's the Nasdaq that brings out these types of behaviors out of me, or I just can't accept what happened. It's like, it's no way that the Nasdaq is doing what it's doing. I'm right. And I continue to trade the way that I want to trade. It's the Nasdaq, because it's like, I guess in the back of your mind, the Nasdaq has conditioned us that it'll randomly bounce, and it'll randomly bounce at least 100 points. So even if you're wrong, or if you're trading on the wrong side of the market, it can bounce in your favor, or it can reject in your favor. So what are you asking me how about Mohammed? Are you talking about the revenge trading stuff, or honestly, I don't know. I just can't I feel like the Nasdaq is being deceptive, and she cheated me out of a winning trade. And my natural reaction is to defend myself and to fight back. Or that's my natural response to that. And it's just been challenging to accept stuff like that. But I think with this platform, that can probably change. Now I know why the market will bounce, or now I know why the market will reject. And I can position myself accordingly. You said the NQ will eventually cause heart issues. Dude, that is closer to the truth. I mean, let's be completely honest. Everybody that trades the Nasdaq, no matter what size you trade, you're holding your breath and your heart is skipping a beat. I mean, unless you're a professional like Mohammed, but for everybody else, you're unsure. We all know that the Nasdaq can randomly just go against you, and you're holding your breath and your heart is skipping a beat. And it likes to, on top of all of that, it likes to miss your targets and come all the way back and run all the way back to your break even and punch you in the face. So it's like, you kind of get tired of it. It doesn't seem like, or I guess with our minds, it seeks consistency and it can't grasp consistency with the Nasdaq. So I mean, I want to trade the Nasdaq, but I just know that it's going to always be that constant thought that, damn, is the day going to be the day where the Nasdaq just does something and I completely blow the account? All the hard work that I put in, gone. I don't have that with the ES. The ES doesn't have that type of power over me, I guess. And I hate to say it that way, but it's true. It says lower the position and divide it. Yeah. At least I know what the ES is. Not going to turn around and punch me in the face like what it's doing right now. Like right now, the Nasdaq came all the way back down to my break even. I mean, the ES is trying to come back. I just hate the fact that ES just missed me by a tick there. Like, the ES literally missed me by a tick.
Meta
right
shares
there.
now up 2.3% in late morning trade. Also seeing from Fars News now, who are saying that a few moments ago, an Indian oil tanker named Hana attempted to pass through the southern route of the Strait of Hormuz, known as the Oman Corridor, but was deterred after receiving a warning.
You know, honestly, Mohammed, I'm there with you. I'm there with you. I don't enjoy the fact that I'm trading the ES. I don't enjoy it. I don't enjoy it. I don't.
Oil pairs losses, with US crude futures turning positive briefly.
I don't like it, but at least when I'm wrong, it's my fault. I can't blame nobody else but myself. With the Nasdaq, and you can say, God dang it, it's the Nasdaq, it's Trump. It's always somebody else's fault other than yourself, because, you know, with the Nasdaq, who knows for real? And it's like, you know, sometimes when you look back at the chart and you're thinking, and you look at it and it's like, well, shit, I don't remember it ever being this clean intraday when I was trading it. Like, it wasn't this clean. What the hell is going on? Oh, now the ES wants to bounce that VWAP. Now you want to bounce that VWAP, huh? Bastard. 85. Yeah. I mean, yeah. But like I said, I hate it. But I am making consistent money without the. I don't think it's today going to be the day where I blow my account. I'm thinking it's today going to be the day I make some more money. So I'll continue to trade the Nasdaq for entertainment purposes and just take the ES more seriously. But all right, guys, that's going to be it for me. I'm out of time for this session. I do appreciate everybody that joined me today. We'll definitely come back later on tonight, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody, and keep on jabbing.